Well, I woke up before my phone because I'm at the village.
Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! We are vlogging live from Okalale in Oganjera. So yes, here's my bras. Today we are going to wait, just give me a second. So say hi to my fairy friends. This is COVID and this is 19. And we have Mrs. Cat there that doesn't have a name. She's too full of herself, so we didn't name her. Just called her Kit in the Shwambo. Kambishi! Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss. Oh my god, this guy is just too much. Yeah? So, Omes, our first task for today, is to inject goats. Yeah, against some kidney disease or something like that. But anyways, so we're gonna show you our little crow, our little herd of goats. They're all white and brown. No, okay. They say we must start with the big ones because Kama can only inject 20 of them. So we'll see.
Only 20.
So yeah, these are the niggas that need to be injected, and this is our vet for today. Say hi. Hi. The ghetto graduate is the vet. Yes. Yeah. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Our first victim for the day. What do you have to say, mister?
It's a female.
Oh. What do you have to say, Mrs.? You're about to get injected against COVID-19. Are you happy? How do you feel about this? Is it controversial? How do you feel? Like, are your rights being violated because you are being injected against your own will? Yeah? But this one, I think is fine, man. She's not even fighting. So, yeah. On to the next one. Yes. Cool. This one. Oh. Kamatako.
Oh, my manganone problem are these big ones. Kukutami.
Oh, the skin, huh?
Put the meat down.
Yo, dokan ko pregnant.
The pregnant ones?
Ish.
12 to 16 weeks by past in the colostrum.
Okay, we just need to read the instruction before we do our job.
Good.
So the instructions say they must be injected under the tail. So basically on the butt. The loose skin under the tail. Maybe it's this, but that's the ass, bruh.
The loose skin under the tail. Under the tail.
Under the tail.
Pick up. Yes. Just on the tail, right?
Oh, Kwati, under the tail, not on the tail. So
under the tail is
okay. Yes, so that loose skin there is soft.
So.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you want? Yeah.
One down, no pain, no gain. Next victim. Yo, these niggas are all pregnant or what?
Yeah.
But these guys are growing. Population.
Open season. The vet. I want to be a vet. We don't even know which combo she went off.
And the butt.
Bro, ek kan next scene.
Waza, here's the way out.
Nanti na hoy ula pa yato kara pike. Tight ko ka.
Bye bye.
Uli pi tight ko.
Yo pi eta mo netonti. Imagine ane 20 squita kono moschina ko. Moschina ko apo kwento. Abunya wendo.
Yo. Oh, this guy is a fighter.
Pi eta mo ni ka Iso. Soft skin. Ah, yeah. Good. One.
Boom.
Ah, yeah.
Yo, this guy is also fighting.
Jaguda. Vet.
Ono kutsiwela.
Bra. Itu kucila. Hey man, fuck. Utsuane na. Yeah.
Ngeno tuling ngelo ka matuka ko era undangapi.
Last month.
Bilan, bilan. Bah! Sorry.
Kok kene bam. Buka telepon bam.
Go. Messi.
Yo, this nigga got balls. Look at that.
Aska kati konsi. Can you inject them?
Ay, let me see. I want a big one.
Well, I'm holding the
Okay,
head
hold
most.
that.
Under the skin.
Okay, let me do this. Go, unti, itawati kamu.
Yeah, kita.
Mudate mbwangu.
Good.
Bra haru raksa. Haru raksa. Ngeno haru raksa tari. Ah, nggak akan diri miniwan biar nama. Let me see you go lolo.
Ah, ne? Otea kwenye nshirani. I think that's the December baby.
This one.
Yeah. Asolwanale no good. Kena more people. Yeah, that's one analysis. That's all bamboos do, bro.
Eat
Wait for
most.
December and come eat. Clap. Do you know how much money is put into cultivating?
Oh, bra.
Pra. They come on a profit.
Look at our mode of transportation. Where's the sofa? Oh, what's this stop?
Ati uchacher koko kudiange jina. Uchacher koko kudiange. Kurigi manga. Kurama. Enjega.
So, you know what happened, right? The battle decided to die while we were busy doing our job. Our job is veterinary scientist. Okay. Get the here. Get it. Yeah, those dogs that were sleeping with these dogs are big dogs. Ripokaima. Yo. Oh, kaima pake kavara no kage
Guys, blind. My sweat, yo.
Yeah. Oh, I get the machine again. Okay, wait for it.
I'm really that skinny.
Yo. Ah.
The one is fed.
Nigga eat. Chai. We get that most that's just jumping from one poop to the other one. Takongona kulianga.
Tavro no diminga. The Kanogistani is too fat.
The nigga is small, man.
The nigga is fat.
Watakokawa is still a growing stage. Hey, baby. Ade kwa kuko vitama kutanguka bibi kan.
That's a fat dog.
Yo, oh nigga is heavy. Look at it.
Mwanina.
Waliana wakutapa fora si. No so wait. Maybe Azali will bring with later. Ooh, look at this. Look at you. I swim a pen over me.
Pina ya dai
Iko wana garapodi.
Uwana ngarapo ndo ulao.
Ma atentu kigena tang.
Male ya puni.
Yeah.
Tukali apa ni?
Kashidura nangera nani. Twangena na usta.
Oh. Bra, I know I cannot zoom inside, but this. This there's a lot of eggs.
Walen kandishine shashia kwa nando kushira pone kucha nilipikomi.
Ile inga ina garapodi. Apa piana.
Oh, yo, look at that amount of eggs. Can I? Eggs. and chicken shit.
Okay, this place needs to be cleaned up.
Tomorrow is Sunday, tomorrow is the resting day.
Yeah. Atu ya kere mige magina akong kere.